This is a wooden Bowie knife, and I'm going to show you how I made it. I made the blade out of Padauk and the handles out of Purpleheart. I've worked with Purpleheart before, and although it's tough to work with due to its density, it's well worth it in the end after you finish the wood. I chose Padauk only because I like the way it looked next to the Purpleheart. For this project, I'm doing something a little different than you've seen in my previous videos, where I just carved a knife completely out of a block of wood. I'm trying to construct this like you would an actual knife with a steel blade. Now that I have my templates drawn and cut out, I can trace them onto the pre-cut boards. The entire shape will go on the Padauk, and only the handle shapes will go on the Purpleheart pieces. Time for the glue up. I wasn't really interested in an oversized, uncomfortable, splintery handle, so I needed to start the process of rounding this thing out. I cut all the edges evenly to try to keep the symmetry. Here's a quick little progress check. To continue rounding off this handle, I just keep cutting the new edges as evenly as possible. Time for another progress check. Here I'm getting into some of the more finer details of the handle. Purpleheart is not the easiest to whittle, so here I'm just using it to get a little bump out. One of my favorite parts of this process is designing and shaping the edges of the wooden blade. Alright, join me on this sanding adventure. Okay, I can't tell you how excited I am with how this turned out. I love how it looks, and it definitely showcases how much I've improved and progressed since my first attempt in making a wooden knife a couple months ago. Go back and watch some of those videos and let me know if you suggest any additional ways I can improve. I don't have a drill press, but I'd like to eventually put small dowels in the handles to look like pens. I'm using Odie's oil again. This is now my go-to since it's so easy to apply and buff out. Not to mention, my 2 previous wooden knives have turned out fantastic. Before the final reveal, as always, I want to thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to support my channel. I'm already working on my next piece, using a similar method, but with a new tool I'm so excited to work with and tell y'all about. I'm trying to think about what to call the next knife because it's going to be a Goliath version of some of my previous Bowies.